Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and it won't even launch on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 not launching or freezing on your computer. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the platform that you have the game on. So Steam, for example, you're going to right click on Call of Duty Black Ops 7. I'm going to use Counter-Strike 2 as an example. You're going to go into properties. You're going to go into installed files. You're going to click on to verify integrity of game files. And what that will do is that will verify the game's files are installed correctly on your computer and there are no problem with the game's files. And once you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to close out the platform that you have the game on. So Steam, you're going to close Steam out and then you're going to open up your file explorer. You're going to go into documents. You're going to go ahead and delete Call of Duty Black Ops 7's folder here. I've already deleted my folder, so I don't have the folder here, but you're going to delete your folder like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer once. And after you're done with the restart, now when you're back here, you're going to open up your game platform again and you're going to go ahead and just click launch on your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and you will notice that you won't get that crash or not launching game error on your computer anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 not launching on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.